This is an AI tutorial created by a prompt engineer. In its simplest form, prompting is what you say to the AI to get it to produce the desired results. Anyone who talks to the AI at any given time is training for this role. A prompt engineer crafts specific sets of words to achieve specific sets of outcomes. This could be as simple as a workout plan for gaining weight and staying lean. Actually, I didn't like that, so I changed it to gaining weight while staying lean. Or, over in Midjourney, close-up, high-quality DSLR level photography of dumbbells on the bench at the gym. Use portrait style to keep the image in focus while blurring the background. I also included at the end advertisement. I actually really liked image 1, so I upscaled it. We call the words used in each of these AI programs a prompt. For example, a workout plan for gaining weight while staying lean is the prompt. The focus of this video today is a website called Promptbase. If you've never heard of it, especially if you are interested in prompt engineering, I highly recommend you check it out. Promptbase is a digital marketplace where prompt engineers sell the prompts they have created to achieve a specific result. If you don't know how to do something, someone else has probably figured it out. When I first started, I bought 2 prompts and it opened up an endless amount of discovery. Each prompt must have a real-world application, such as web graphics, advertisements, photography, and more. They must also be variable enough that a client can input their own specifics and receive a consistent output per the prompt. Here is my prompt store. I am currently in the top 200 of creators and have been featured on the main page more than once. This is my most popular and complicated prompt, Exploding Web Graphics, which uses weighting and specific photography information to produce exploding high-quality animation. Other prompts include different types of photography, such as this golden hour filter, and unique art styles such as abstract, expressionist, cyberpunk. I also specialize in ChatGPT with prompts that can provide specific tour information, book summary and reviews, or even write your own digital cookbook, images and recipes included with just a click. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview. It serves as a necessary introduction and reference point for future AI content here on the channel. Please like the video and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time.